Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Webspadow Developers. So viewers, in this video I am here with the new script of complete hotel booking website source code. So if you want to buy this source code from us, do contact us on WhatsApp. The link is in the description. You can contact us and buy the script from us on a very low price from market. So viewers, in this video I will give you a complete demo of this website and I will show you how you can control this website from the admin panel. This website is with admin panel, which means that you don't need any coding knowledge to control it. You can control it easily from the admin panel and you don't need any coding knowledge to control this website. So if you want to buy this script from us, do contact us on WhatsApp and we will provide you complete support. And if you need this complete website, end-to-end website with domain name, hosting, complete setup, we will do it for you on a low price. So viewers, now in this video, I will give you a complete review of this website and its admin panel. So first of all, you can see that it is installed on my subdomain. I have just installed it on my subdomain, so you can see that it is on my domain. So now let's start this video. So this is the very amazing script, and here first of all you can look at its amazing home page. So you can, if you want to change text, you can change it from admin panel, or if you want us to do it for that, we will do it. Here you can see the option of book now. When you click on it, it will redirect you to a suite page and you can easily book up a suite for yourself. And here you can check for suite. Here you can check out adults, select these things from here, and you can check for availability of room or apartment. And here is a about us section. You can write about your company and you can write everything about section right here in this section, and you can change this completely from admin panel. So be with us, I will completely show you how we can do all these things, so you don't need to worry about it. So now here you can read more about this website. Here you can see the latest offers are here: world tour, hot air balloon, mountain offer. So if you want to book these offers from here, you can book it, and you can list these offers from the admin panel. So it's completely a simple thing. I will show you how you can list these offers from admin. So when user click on book now, user can easily book after signing in. So to book these, we must have to register our account and then we can easily book these things. So I will show you how we will do it, but first of all let me review this. So here you can see latest featured rooms or apartments right here. You can list them from admin panel, and here you can see their prices: one night $400, $1,400, and you can list these prices and suites from admin panel. So you can list images, prices, everything from admin panel for it's very easy. So you just have to select the images and enter the text and you can easily do it. You don't need any coding knowledge to do this. So you can see that from here you can book it. So here is a hotel services. You can list your services right here in this section. Here is you can add video about your business right here, and this is a client testimonial section. You can add them from admin panel, and you can also insert blogs on your website. So you can insert blogs from admin panel. So it's completely easy. And this is a footer section. You can change all these details, logo, whatever you want to change, you can change it from admin. Now let's log in as a user and I will show you how it will work. So to log in, you must have to register your account. So go to register page and here you have to register your account. As I already have an account, so I'm not gonna register again. So I will just directly go to back to login, and here I will log in with my account. So I will enter my login details. So after entering email and password, when I click on login, it will log me into my user panel. So I have successfully logged in. Here you can see that. So go to my dashboard. When you click on go to my dashboard, here you can see your account details right here, and here you can see all your bookings of flats or any booking right here in this section, and you can see payment status, booking status, and you can take action from here, and you can see your booking ID. So here you can see all your booking ID. Here you can see your profile. You can change your profile, change password, and log out. So now let me show you how we can book a apartment or suite for ourselves. So for example, I want to book this suite. So you have to click on it. So just click on it, and so let me just click on it. And here you can view all the details about that apartment or that room, and here you can, when you can select it for 0 child or adults, and you can select this detail, and here you can also see the description of that flat. Here you can see all the activities related to it. Now if you want to book it, just click on book now, and here you can book this from here. Here you have to insert your phone number, city, state, address, everything right here, and you can pay using cash on delivery, or you can pay through bank directly. So this is how you can pay through, and you can insert your banking details, any detail if you want, from admin panel, and here you can insert a note for it. For example, I want to pay on cash on delivery, so here insert any note and just click on send booking request, and here you have to also fill these details. So now let's fill these details. Let's select country, let's select state. So I'm just entering the random details just to show you this, but you have to enter the correct details. And here now when you click on send a booking request, so you can see all your details right here, 400 per night, and here you have to select your check-in date. So I'm selecting my check-in date and a check-out date. So I'm booking it for 3 days, and it will be $1,260. So all your bill will be here, and here click on send booking request, and your request will be sent to admin, and well, admin will approve it, your booking will be confirmed. So now here you can see that booking request has sent successfully. Now I will show you how admin will confirm this to booking request. And here you can also insert a live chat on WhatsApp, so you can also add live chat from here. So now let's go back to dashboard. So viewers, this is all about it. Home page of this website will looks like this. You can list as many as rooms you want from admin panel, and user can see it. So now let's log out from user panel, and now I will log into my admin panel. So before going towards the admin panel of this website, here you can list any language you want. So currently there is English language, but you can use it in any local language you want. So I will show you how you can insert multiple languages on the website. So now let's log into admin panel. To log into admin, just click on sign in, and here you have to enter your login details for admin. So I will enter my admin details. Here I have to enter my password, and now when I click on login, it will log me into my admin panel. So we have successfully logged into our admin panel, and here you can see it, admin login. And let's go to admin dashboard. So this is the dashboard of admin. So you can see there is a user dashboard. Now when you go here, go to backend dashboard, so you will see the complete admin dashboard right here. So you can see your total earning on the website. So site is newly created, as you can see that I just created it, and here you can see that there is a pending payment that we just pay. Here you can see different incomplete payment, cancelled payment, hotel booking completed, total running bookings, and you can see everything: total rooms booked, free rooms, total room type, total users on the website, active users, inactive users, recent bookings. You can see everything in this section, and here you can see all the detailed graphs related to the bookings and everything right here in this section. So this is a complete admin panel of this website, and admin can change its admin details from here. So this is completely simple and easy to use. You don't need any coding knowledge to control this website. You can completely control your whole website from here. So this is a dashboard from where you will control your complete website. So here, when we go to manage booking, you can manage the booking request from here. So let's approve the booking request that we just sent. So these are, you can see our booking request that we just booked the rooms. So from here, admin can approve or reject these booking requests from here. So currently, now you can see that there are 2 booking requests that we just applied for booking. So now to approve this, just go to edit, and you can confirm the booking of user. And here you can assign the room to user. You can assign any room from here. So if you want to delete this room and assign another room, you can assign it from here. And here you can confirm the booking of user. So when you click on completed, the booking will be completed, and you can also download the invoice. So here you can see that payment status has completed, and booking is confirmed for user. Now let's check it again. And now let's check it, and here you can see that payment status had completed, and here you can see that booking status is also pending. Now to confirm this booking status, you have to click on edit, and you can also confirm the booking status from here, and just click on it, and here you will approve it, and when you will approve it, the booking status is also approved. So you can see that booking is confirmed and payment status is also confirmed. So this is how you can confirm or reject the booking requests of user. Here you can see all the book rooms, so you can see all the book rooms from here, and you can set them from here. So here you can see all the bookings, and you can see them right here in this section. Here you can see all the list of the rooms in the hotel. So these are all the rooms that are available, so you can list them from here, and you can see all the rooms. So here you can manage the hotel room type, categories, you can list them from here, bed type, tax, currency, payment methods, so you can manage all things from here. So now let's go to payment methods, and here you can manage the payment method. You can take a Stripe, PayPal, Reservation. So you can use all these payment methods on your website, and you can enable them or disable them. So you can see that all the payments are inactive, but if you want to use your Stripe, just click on edit, and here you can see that from here you can change the Stripe details, and user can directly pay through its card from using Stripe. So you can use any of the payment method you want. It's completely easy to use and easy to control this website. So here you can change the currency as well. So let me click on currency. So you can use it in any currency you want. So you can also use any local currencies such as INR, NGN, PKR, whatever currency you want to insert, you can insert it from here. You just have to change the currency from here, and you can change it directly from here. Just insert it from here. So this is how you can change it. Here is a currency icon, you can change it, currency position, thousand, separator, so you can make changes from here. So this is the home page management. As I told you, you can completely manage the home page from the admin panel. You can manage the hero section, about us section, our services, video section, testimonial, offer and ads sections, section management. You can do it from here. So suppose I want to edit the about section of the website. Now just click on it, and here you can see that this is about us page, and here you can completely edit this page from here. Just click on it, and here you can edit all the details that are on your about page. So here you can see the description, welcome text, home page management, rooms, customers. So this is complete the about page, so you can manage it from here, and you can also insert room images from here directly. And here is our services section, and you can manage the services section directly from here. Here is a video section, you can manage it from here. You can add your own video, and here you can change the text of buttons, target windows, short description. This is a video link that you can insert your own video link from here. And similarly, you can change the testimonial, ads, offer section, hero section, everything from here. Here are the pages section. You can manage all the pages on the website. Is a blog section, so you can post blogs directly from here, and just click on it, and here you can see the existing blogs that are on your website. Now if you want to insert your own blog on the site, you can directly add it from here. Just click on add new, and you can easily add a new blog from here. So this is how simple to add a blog on your website. Here you can set the category of blog. Here is the appearance section. You can change the menu and theme options from here, and here you can view all the customers on your website. So currently there is only one customer. As I told you, I just created the website in order to give you the demo. Here you can see that there is only one customer, that is our own account. You can edit this customer from here. Here is a contact page. You can make the contact page. Here is a newsletter details, subscriber settings, mail settings. From here you can manage them all. Here is a language option, so you can insert any local language you want. So currently there is English language, but if you want to insert any other language to use, if you want to use it in any other language, just click on add new, and you can insert language code, language name, and you can use this website in any of the local language you want. So this is completely simple. Here is a media settings, so you can manage all the media, photos related to other photos from here. So you can manage all the photos of your website from here. So this is complete the media settings, and here you can insert new photos directly from here. You just have to click on add new, and you can upload new details from here. So there is a setting option. So now let's go to settings. So viewers, here you can change the name of the website. You can change the title or site title. Here you can change the company name from here. Here you can insert your company email, phone number, address, time zone from here directly. Here you can change the theme register. Here you can insert Google reCAPTCHA. You can use Google Maps from here. So now let me click on Google Maps, and here you can insert Google reCAPTCHA. Now let's click on Google Maps. and here you can insert your key, site key for Google Maps. You can enable it, disable it. Here is a mail setting, so you can set up a email from here. So these are all the mail setting related activities, so you can set up a mail from here. And now here you can change the media settings, and here you can insert thumbnails, subheaders, mega menus, testimonials. So you can manage all these media details from here directly. So this is the complete overview of this site, and I completely guided you how you can do all the things. And viewers, if you want to buy this script from us, do contact us on WhatsApp. And if you need this complete website with domain name and hosting, you can contact us and we will build this site for you. And if you need any other type of hotel booking website, many designs are available. You can contact us and we will give you more details so you can buy it from us. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel.